Hi, we're going to learn how to connect Claude with the ToChat MCP. With this, we'll be able to use our ToChat account from Claude's conversational interface, list numbers, send messages, and much more. To do this, we first need to have an account logged into ToChat. Besides that, we're going to access the ToChat developers page. And here we'll click See Docs, and in the bottom left part, we'll see MCP setup. We're going to keep this URL in mind. Let's copy it. In Claude, we're going to go to the Customize section. We're going to click on Connectors. We'll click on the plus sign and here, Add Custom Connector. We give it the name, ToChat MCP. And we paste the URL here, which we copied from the ToChat interface. This is the only thing we have to do. These advanced settings are left as they are. Click on Add. Now it will appear in the list of connectors, the ToChat connector. Now we're going to enable it. To do that, we click on Connect. After this, the authorization interface appears. We click on Allow Access. At this moment, it will show that the connection with the ToChat MCP is done and it will appear. At the top, the URL it's connected to appears. And here all the tools we have access to will appear. It's very important that by default, sometimes it appears here in this Needs Approval option. We need to set it here to Always Allow, so that it moves all the tasks to the Allowed option. In case we require that any of these activities or tools not be executed, and for example, we need it not to use the Update Contact option, we click here on Deny or Sync Templates. We can perform any type of operations and we can deny it from here. At this moment, we already have the tools connected and we can go to our chat. How do we enable it? We enable it first. We're going to click here on plus, and in Connectors, we'll see that the MCP connector appears enabled. This means that we have access to our ToChat account. Let's see, list, virtual phone numbers for your use. Let's request a list of our virtual numbers. As you can see here, it pulled up our account in a detailed way. If we go to the ToChat account, we'll see here in channels, let's see, we have a number here and we have the virtual numbers. Let's see the two virtual numbers we have listed there with their features. We can also, if we want, put here a list. Let's try doing this in Spanish so that we can clearly see how the dual language option works in practice. For example, we can list WhatsApp numbers here, just as we did before. Available. Remember that with ToChat, we can have virtual numbers to make and receive calls, and they don't necessarily have to be enabled for WhatsApp. In this case, we see a number here, which is the one we have created as our channel. Let's go here to WhatsApp business numbers, and here it is. This number is the one that appeared here in Claude. In the same way, we can access options such as sending messages, reading received messages, and even use Claude's features to turn it into a marketing assistant that helps us provide a better response. Thank you very much.